Welcome back. Hope you're having a good morning. Well, let's hop across to Hormaz. As always, he joins us to take us through the big movers yesterday, which were backed by delivery. Hormaz, morning.
Good morning, Nigel. And Epack Durables is the first name on the list today. And along with those consumer durable names that were beaten out of shape, Epack Durables was no different. But yesterday, the stock was up 15-16% with the biggest single day gain and volumes since its listing. And the stock also fell to a 52-week low last week, and it has rebounded from those levels. 3.5 crore shares were traded yesterday, the 20-day average of just over 7 lakh shares. And out of those 3.5 crore shares, 25 lakh shares were marked for delivery, the 20-day average of just around 3 lakh shares. The stock, despite this move, is still down well over 50% from its 2025 peak, which is close to 670 rupees. Exicom Tele-Systems is another stock that moved higher. The stock was up in double digits at one point of time, ended with gains of close to 8%. The fourth straight day of gains for the stock. Volumes were the highest since May of last year, and the stock has gained in 5 out of the last 6 sessions, close to 1.5 crore shares traded yesterday, the 20-day average of just under 5 lakh shares. But again, out of those 1.5 crore, only 8.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just under 2 lakh shares. The stock, despite that move yesterday, is trading below its IPO price of 142 rupees, and it is one of those IPOs that was subscribed over 100 times. Very strong investor interest. The stock had made a peak of well over 500 rupees last year, and it's down well over 70% from those levels. And lastly, Nazara Technologies was a name that sprung up among the list of gainers yesterday. The stock has gained in 5 out of the 6 sessions as well. Tuesday's volumes the highest in over a month. Over 50 lakh shares were traded, which is 5x of its 20-day average. And out of those 50 lakh shares, 12.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery, 20-day average of around 6.5 lakh shares. And the stock too has been an underperformer in the last 6 months, seeing losses of close to 30%.
Okay, all right, Hormaz. But